Dick's Sporting Goods. We'll see if they got some 22 in today. And as usual, there's nobody back here. Damn, there ain't never anybody back here in the Sporting Goods. Guys, let's see if they got some 22 over here. So they got the auto snatch. Looks like they got some CCIs right there too. Let's see if I can get somebody over here to get some of this shit.
The 22 long rifles? They are $19.98 for 325.
Okay, and what about the what is that, CCI mini mags?
Yeah, they are $9.98 for 100.
Oh, okay. Is there any kind of limit on how many you can get?
Of the 100 round packs, you can get 3. Of the federal, you can get 1 per person.
Crap, that sucks. Can I get one of the Federals then? Alright. Thank you. You too. Well, that's how it's done. I still hate this fucking place. But hell, nobody else has got 22 in, so you got to go where you got to go. There you go, finished product. Here's the receipt. Ah, damn. It's windy as hell out here. Cox Sporting Goods, $19.99, 22 auto match. And my wife is with me. Say hi, my wife.
Hi.
Alright, y'all have a good one.